Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account, so preferences save to your profile. Once signed in, go to Google.com, scroll or look at the bottom right and click Settings. From that menu, select Search Settings to reveal Safesearch controls. This is where Google filters explicit content. You do this now because account-level settings override temporary or device-only changes, and making the change here ensures consistency across Chrome and other browsers. Once in Search Settings, move to the Filters area and find the Turn on Safesearch tick box. This controls explicit content suppression. Uncheck that box to let explicit results appear in search results. After changing the setting, scroll down and click Save so your choice applies immediately. If you use multiple devices, make sure you're signed into the same Google account so this preference propagates. This step removes the filter while leaving other personalized features intact. Finish by testing a search for content that was previously filtered to confirm Safesearch is off. This validates the change. If results still look restricted, sign out and sign back in, or clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data preserves previous settings. If the control remains enforced, check whether the account is supervised or managed by an organization. In that case, you must request the administrator to modify the policy. Make sure sync is on if you want the change across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.